mamas, this is Shen and welcome back to my channel at Mama Banana. So today we are going to talk about the Be Classy from Jujube. I absolutely love this bag, it is gorgeous. So this is a tote bag, okay, and it also comes with the standard Jujube messenger strap, so you can attach and detach onto these D-rings here. Now I have this in the First Lady print, which is black and white striped with gold metal hardware. Now this is a structured handbag, and as the name says, it's a classy handbag from Jujube. I absolutely love this because as well as it being very good looking, it has the usual Jujube benefits, so that these are machine washable. I bought this pre-loved, and with all pre-loved items I throw it in the washing machine and it came out absolutely perfect, fresh out of the washing machine. Love it. So we're going to go through all the features of this handbag, and then I'm going to do maybe an on-body shot at the end. Then I'll just pack this up with a couple of sample items that you would have in your diaper bag, just so you know how well everything fits in size-wise. Okay, just a quick measurement. So this, on the very base of it, measures about 33 cms across. That's only just this very base here, not including the sides, how much it sticks out. Okay, so on the front here we have the typical Jujube mammy pocket, and this is perfect, excellent in this one. Okay, so in here you have your glass pouch with the material where you can clean your sunglasses with, and then we have a slip gusseted pocket here, another slip pocket here, and then a zippered pocket, and then the elasticated key leash fob. Okay, zip that up here, and then we have the rolled shoulder handles. Okay, and then on the inside here, okay, we have, let's see if you can see this. On the inside here we have two mesh pockets. Okay, I love having mesh pockets inside the bag, especially with bags like these with a lot of organization, because you tend to easily forget what you have in each bag, whereas when it's meshed, then obviously it's see-through, so you can see at a glance what's inside each pocket, which means everything is more organized when you know where everything is. So two mesh pockets on the back side. And then on the front side there's another mesh pocket and a zippered pocket. Okay, and then at the back, okay, you have two little zip pockets. You have a small zippered tech pocket that is felt lined, okay, that will easily fit my iPhone 5. And then you have a larger zip pocket, and that's where the memory foam change pad will go into. This does come with a memory foam change pad. So the bag itself, and then at the bottom you have these little luggage feet. Okay, so that means your bag will be kind of protected and kept clean. Oh, and I nearly forgot to mention, there are these internal bottle pockets. The bottle pockets are kept on the inside, so your bag can be more good looking. So there's one of these either side. Okay, so just give you an idea of how big these are. I have the very popular Tommy TP sippy cup here, and that does fit in nicely. Okay, and then on the other side of the bag I am going to put my Skip Hop straw bottle, and again that fits perfectly. Now do keep in mind, whatever you put into those bottle pockets will take up room on the inside of your bag. So now I'm going to put in my Bumco baby diapering clutch. I absolutely love this. They actually have come out with a solid print in vegan leather black and denim blue. I will be reviewing that when it arrives in 2 weeks. Okay, so that fits in here. And just to quickly show you as well, I have two diapers in here, one for each child, so a size 3 and a size 5 pull-up, and a change pad. I need to restock on that. I just changed my baby when we're out today. And then I have a wet bag here with snacks, bibs, white cloths, etc. for my kids. And that, look how well everything fits in. There's plenty of room in here. And it zips up nicely. I like to tuck the zip back in on the inside. So that is the Be Classy. I'll set the camera up to do a quick on body. So here is the Jujube Be Classy tote bag on the body. Okay, so a quick tip which I learned from another YouTuber, Kate Swanky, is to stop these type of tote bags rolling off your shoulders. If you just crisscross them like this, throw it over your shoulder, then it is far less likely to come off the shoulder. I actually use this hack all the time. I think it is a great one, so thank you so much, Kate, for that. Okay, but I love this bag. I think it looks so good. It fits so much in, but for me, I don't really tend to use this bag purely because I find that it is a bit heavier in itself. And also I do prefer convertibles where I can throw the bag on my back. I find that more often than not, I usually will throw a bag on my back. So with a tote bag, I can throw it on my back like this, okay? But obviously it is not very good looking and it looks a bit odd. And more often than not, I do need both my hands to carry my two girls. Well, I think that when your kids have grown out of diapers and you don't need to bring as much anymore, I think this will make a great office bag. For now, I actually use it as an office bag. So I keep my laptop, all my notepads and filming equipment in here. So it just keeps everything really organized with all the pockets. I do love it. So if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up to let me know so I know to make more content like this. And if you enjoyed it, please do subscribe to my channel. It will really help. So for my next video, I've yet to decide if I will do a product review or will I do something in the antenatal region. So I just got accepted into the course for Antenatal Ireland. So it's an area that I'm very interested in. So I've given birth twice myself and I would like to empower other women to have the type of birth that they want to, or at least provide them with all the information so that they can make an informed decision. So if you'd like to see content on antenatal, do let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear from you all. So until the next video, thank you and goodbye.